running for a while. Are you guys ready to open it up and see what it is? Go ahead. Come on, guys. What is it?
It's butt candy. It's butt candy. It's butt candy. Look.
Oh my god.
Is that the butt candy? Butt candy. That's a big
So, we're
slide.
going to give you guys a treat. We're going to show you guys how to make some Japanese butt pudding.
Yeah, look, it also got
Weird
cups.
candies.
It also got cups. And you can
Are you
mix
guys
them.
ready to make the butt pudding?
Yeah!
This is the packaging. It comes with these 2 little packages. Also, it comes with this mold where you can put
Mommy,
you mix. And now
It goes all in there.
Mix. You got to mix it really well.
Yep, hold your cup. Make sure you hold your cup and mix. Mix very well.
Mix it all up.
Mom,
Wipe it up until after it's actually in the thing.
Yeah.
And then wipe it off.
Why did they say you don't put it around? Because I mean, I could see it.
I think you can basically probably cut it off, but I
Yeah.
guess they were saying if you want like the smoothest butt to come out, without you have to like try to chop pieces off with it.
Oh, I see what you mean. Yeah. What are we gonna do, guys? Are we gonna put the butt inside the refrigerator?
Yeah.
All right.
You gotta get that booty firm.
Alrighty.
don't spill it, Daddy. Imagine. See you in 3 hours. Now we're gonna make the toppings for the butt pudding. So we're gonna make chocolate. So what you have to do is you're gonna have to fill up this little square right here with water. And then you're gonna have to pour it into a cup. And now we're gonna add this powder to the water.
Whoa.
What does it look like?
It looks like coconut. I like blue. Yeah.
Blue.
Blue.
Oh, wow. No. Come here, Mom.
Oh, I like chocolate now. I tried chocolate now. I see.
See, it's thick too.
I'm on it.
What it looks like inside.
I smell.
Here's what it looks like inside.
Oh, it smells.
smell-
Oh, it smells like chocolate too.
Smell like orange moving chocolate.
So now we're gonna have to put it in this little syringe and squirt it into the little mold.
Huh? Baby, baby, ball.
Like, it didn't come with a syringe, by the way. That's our little tool to try to make it easier to put this chocolate into those tiny little molds.
It's so thick.
See what I'm gonna try to lift it up so I can get up close to you. Putting it in there with the microphone and stuff. I have to hold it. Let me see.
Looks like it smells like chocolate now. It's like the most like chocolate now.
Okay, I think that's one
More
more.
the lights. Maybe.
Should we do the bow next?
Maybe. Yeah, maybe. We are doing the bow now.
Nothing else? Okay.
I'll be summertime.
Oh, that's so gross.
No, it's like poop. Yeah.
Maybe that's what it's supposed to be.
Whoa.
I'm gonna have to try and smooth that out a little. Okay.
Princess.
I think I need like a little more. And put like a little
Pages
more.
on the way. More than.
Okay. I think. Okay. I'll just squirt that on the crown for now. Never mind, there's nothing to squirt.
Now the girls are back show you how their butt pudding came out. Yesterday I forgot to tell you guys that you had to microwave the mixture after you mixed it up. So we kind of had to wait till the next day to do our butt pudding because we had to go through microwaving it all over again. Ours stayed liquid. So now we have the completed butt pudding, and the girls are going to show you how it came out. You ready, girls? Here's, I don't know how this came out. That one seems like it might have got a little bit frozen. We have these 3 trays. Yeah, take one. You're not going to do it.
They're nice and firm.
Okay. And it says to take a toothpick. You take a toothpick and go around the pudding.
Oh God.
Or to separate it from the container.
Oh. Oh, okay. Did I dump it?
You should do all the other ones
Yeah,
first.
good idea. Oh gosh. It's hard to, like, when, oh my gosh.
Yeah, make sure you get to scrape up the sides.
I'm trying. It's so hard. I'm trying to scrape the side. Okay. Mine, I don't think mine, mine are going to turn out the best, but...
Let's see.
Ew! Mine's out.
Let's see.
Wobble, wobble, wobble.
Lonnie has a jiggly butt.
Funniest part of it. It just happened. Rara's jiggly too. Here, put your butts together.
Rara, you got a pimply butt. Or dimple in your butt. Let me see, hold on.
I should think this was show the front view.
Oh gosh. Wiggle, wiggle. Now the girls are gonna taste their butt pudding.
Yeah, you want some more of this?
Alright, everybody, dig in.
Okay.
Go ahead and taste your butt pudding.
Make some of that strawberry. Like two.
Come on, Lonnie.
You should have got someone up close for cutting a slice. Wait, Leah. Let me see.
Hold on.
Wait, which angle?
Toe right in the middle of it. Okay.
Mom, Dad, I
Oh gosh.
eat. Mom. Mom.
No, Leah. What do you think?
What do you think?
Good?
Is it good? Do you like it?
Like it?
Leah approves.
Alright, Rara's gonna taste.
Rara's gonna taste.
The chocolate on top.
Eat the one with the chocolate.
Put some chocolate on there.
I'm scared.
You have to.
I don't know.
What it tastes like?
Ice.
The pudding doesn't actually taste that bad. The strawberry is a bit
Much?
sweet and much, but the
So what do you guys think of the butt pudding?
It's pretty good.
Do you like it, Mariah? Was it all what you expected? How about you, Aaliyah and Cece? You guys love it? Well, alright guys.
okay, so if you guys want to try out this butt pudding for yourselves at home, you can look in the description and you'll find a link to where you can buy this butt pudding. Make sure to buy it.
Thanks for watching.
Subscribe. Yeah.
Like a video for your watch and then give a thumbs up.